subtraction of length, right? And after that we have seen addition of meters and centimeters. So in this part we are going to learn subtraction of meters and centimeters. So what is the topic of the day? Subtraction of meters and centimeters. Right? So in this we will learn how to subtract if the amount is given to you in the meter as well as in the centimeter. Okay students? The first example I will write in centimeter. So it is 80 minus 50. So how you will subtract this? 0 minus 0, that gives you 0, and 8 minus 5. So you can count backward as well as you can count on your fingers, like 8 minus 5 you have to do. So keep 8 in your mind and you have to read it 5 number. So 7, 6, 5, 4 and 3. So 3 number will be there. So 30, 30 is your answer. And what the parameters you have to write it? 30 centimeter. So your answer is 30 centimeter. Next, that is of meter and centimeter. Like 80 meters and 25 centimeter minus 40 meters and 20 centimeter. So what you have to do, as you have done the addition, so same you have to do in this. First you have to start from the centimeters place. So 5 minus 0 gives you 5. 2 minus 2, that is 0. And 80 minus 40. So first we will start from the ones place. 0 minus 0, 0 and 8 minus 4. So that is 4. So your answer, first two letters will be known as meter and the last two is of centimeter. So 40 meter and 0, 5, that means only 5 centimeter is there. So we will write 40 meter and 5 centimeter. So this is how you have to read the answer. First digits is of meter and the last numbers are known as centimeter. Okay students. Next, third number example. In meter I will take 100 meter minus 75. So you are aware how to minus from the 0. Like you are not subtract any number from the 0, but what you have to do? For that you have to take from another, that must be from your friends, right? So here 0 minus 5 is given to you and here 0. So यहाँ पे भी कुछ नहीं, so we will cut this number, write number 9 over here and here we will put 10. So 10 minus 5, that gives you number 5. And now come to the tens place, that 9 minus 7. So 9 minus 7, that gives you number 2. And here 1. So what do you have to write here? We have to write the before number over here. So what come before 1? 0. So you have to write 0. If you are not writing, that should be also okay. So here is your answer 25. And what the unit is given to you? Meter. So that means your answer is 25 meter. Okay. So this is how you can solve the sums of subtraction of centimeters and meters. Let's see few more examples of this subtraction. So let's solve the sums. 5 minus 0, that gives you number 5. 9 minus 3. So you can count backward like 8, 7 and 6. So you can write 6 over here. 9 minus 6. So opposite you can see. If we are subtracting 9 minus 3, that gives you 6. So if you will subtract 9 minus 6, then answer will be 3. So your answer is 3 meter and 65 centimeter. So we will write like this, 3 meter and 65 centimeter. Next sum, 5 minus 5, that gives you 0. 4 minus 8, can you subtract 8 number from the 4? No. So for that you have to cut this number, write the before number over here, cut this number, and 14 number you have to write here. 14 minus 8, that gives you number 6, and 4 minus 2, that is 2. So your answer is 2 meter and 60 centimeter. So you can write it like here, 2 meter and 60 centimeter. Next and the last example, 80 minus 75. So 0 minus 5. 0 minus 5, that is not possible. So we will cut this number, write the before number, cut this 0 and write 10. 10 minus 5, that gives you 5. 7 minus 7, that gives you 0. Now come to the meters place, 9 minus 7. So that is 2. So again your answer is 2 meter. And with that, how many centimeters are there? 0, 5. That means instead of 0, 5, you can write only 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter. Okay students, so do the practice of this type of subtraction, that means the subtraction of meters and centimeters. Now we will see the story sums in the different way. Previously you have solved the story sum, that in that the question is given to you. हमने जो पहले story sum solve किए थे उसमें आपको question दिया गया था. From that you have to make sentence. Now the story sums in the different way, that means a picture is given to you and now you have to give answer from that only. So let's see that. So here I have written one story sum. Ali, Mary and Tara were each given a piece of a rock. Here's how long each rock was. यहाँ पे 3 बच्चे का नाम दिया गया है. First is Ali, second is Mary and third one is Tara. Here you can see on the pictures how the 3 children is having the rock, right? Here I have drawn the rocks. Ali is having the length of rock is 2 meter and 30 centimeter. Mary के पास जो rock है उसकी length है 3 meter and 15 centimeter. And Tara के पास जो है that is length 1 meter and 35 centimeter. So now on this picture you have to give the answers. How much do Ali's? First you have to confirm the name. Ali's and Tara's rocks measure together. Ali and Tara की rock को अगर हम साथ में measure करेंगे तो what should be the length? Length क्या होगी? तो here is the Ali. यहाँ पे Ali and this one is Tara. So हम दोनों की measure का क्या करेंगे? Addition करेंगे. 2 meter 30 centimeter plus 1 meter 35 centimeter. So क्या होगा? First as we are doing of centimeter, so 30 plus 35. तो यहाँ पे क्या मिलेगा आपको? 65 centimeter. Now 2 meter and 1 meter, so that will be 3 meter. So दोनों की total length क्या होगी अगर हम दोनों की rope साथ में करेंगे तो? So that is 3 meter and 65 centimeter. Logically you have to count कि हमने कैसे बोला था Ali and Tara. So both the length we have to count. That means कि total measurement बोले तो आपको वहाँ पे add करना है. And addition, about addition you are right. So our second question is, how much do Tara's and Mary's rocks measure together? Now which two children name is there? Tara's and Mary's. So Mary is here and Tara is here. So what you have to do? First you have to write Tara's measurement, that is 1 meter and 35 centimeter plus 3 meter and 15 centimeter. So first as you are dividing 5 plus this 5, that gives you 10, right? So यहाँ पे हम क्या करेंगे? 1 plus 3 4 and this one is 5. So 50. Now come to the meter space. 1 plus this 3 meter, that gives you 4 meter. So 4 meter and 50 centimeter is your answer. Okay. Now move to the next question. How much longer is Mary's rock than Ali's? अभी आपको क्या देखना है कि मैरी की रॉक कितनी लॉन्ग है than Ali. So Mary's length is 3 meter and 15 centimeter. तो जब आपको यहाँ पे मेजर आपको लॉन्ग यानी कि डिफरेंस बताना है कितने मीटर लॉन्ग है या कितने So for that you have to write the measurement first, 3 meter and 15 centimeter, और उसमें से आप क्या करोगे, अली की मेजरमेंट माइनस करोगे तो हमें पता चल जाएगा कि मैरी की रॉड की लेंथ कितनी ज्यादा है। So 2 meter and 30 centimeter. Okay. So क्या करोगे, 15 minus 30 आपको करना, तो 5 minus 0 that gives you number 5, और सेंटीमीटर क्या आएगा पीछे, तो we will write centimeter. Now 1 minus 3, 1 में से 3 minus होगा, no, for that you have to cut this number, और यहाँ पे आप लिखोगे 2 and here you will write 11. So 11 में से आपको 3 minus करना है, that gives you number 8. Okay, now 2 minus 2 that gives you 0 meter. So what is your answer? Your answer is only 85 centimeter, because at the place of meter there is nothing. वहाँ पे कुछ नहीं है, that means we have not tried the 0 meter, right? So for that we will write only centimeters amount. So 85 centimeter is our answer. Okay students? Next question, how much shorter is Tara's rock than Mary's? अब तारा का रॉक आपको मेजर करना है कि वो कितना छोटा है than मैरी की रॉक से कितना छोटा है। So for that again you have to do subtraction. So you will write Mary's rock length, that is 13 meter, 3 meter and 15 centimeter minus तारा की लेंथ आपको कौन से माइनस करनी है, so 1 meter, that is 35 centimeter, 1 meter and 35 centimeter. So अभी आप subtraction कैसे करेंगे, like 5 minus 5 is equal to क्या आएगा, 0, right? And from this 1 you have to subtract this number, so you will not subtract that. So अब यहाँ पे लिखोगे write the before number, इसको कट के यहाँ पे लिखोगे 11. 11 में से 3 minus करोगे तो that gives you number 8. And now 2 minus this 1, so that gives you number 1. So आपको पता चला कि कितने मीटर से या कितना शॉर्ट है तारा का. So 1 meter and 80 centimeter. So this is your answer कि तारा की रॉक 1 meter and 80 centimeter जितनी छोटी है. किससे इतनी छोटी है, तो मैरी की रॉक से. Okay students. Our next question is, how long are all the rocks together? Now what you have to do, you have to measure all the 3 children's rocks length and you have to add them. So first we will write Ali's rock length 2 meter and 30 centimeter. अगर हमें तीनों की find out करनी है, so for that we have to add them. Next is Mary's length, that means 3 meter and 15 centimeter. Next we have to write Tara's rock length 1 meter and 35 centimeter. So now I will put the units over here so it will be clear to you. Now first we will add this centimeters. Okay, so first we will add the last digit 0 plus 5 plus this 5. So that is 10. 10 means 0 you will write here and 1 you will keep in the top of this number. So 1 plus 3 4, 4 plus this 1 5 and 5 plus this 3 8. So you will write 8 over here. Now come to the meters place. 2 plus this 3 5 and plus 1, 5 plus 1 6. So this is the total length of all the rocks, 6 meter and 80 centimeter. So this is the way how you can solve the story sums using the picture. Now the few more examples are given in your textbook, so you have to solve that sum. I hope you have understood today's concept, that is the subtraction of meter and centimeter as well as story sums, right? Do more practice of this type of story sums at your home. Stay home, stay safe, and yes, thank you for watching my video.